Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English Podcast for Beginners. I'm Sam, your English coach.
And I'm Emma. Hi, everyone. Today's topic is super exciting. We're talking about how to speak English like a native.
Yes, many learners say, I can speak English, but I don't sound natural. Today, we'll help you change that.
We'll talk about pronunciation, natural expressions, tone, and rhythm. And we'll practice together.
Exactly. So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's start learning to sound more like a native English speaker. Okay, first, what does it mean to sound like a native?
Does it mean using slang all the time?
Not really. It means 1. Speaking clearly and confidently. 2. Using natural rhythm and tone. 3. Knowing everyday expressions, not just textbook English.
So it's more about how you say things than just vocabulary.
Exactly. Let's look at an example. From textbook English, hello, how are you today? And from natural English, hey, how's it going?
Oh, that sounds more friendly and casual.
Right. Native speakers often shorten words. Let's practice. Want to, wanna, going to, gonna, got to, gotta.
So, I'm going to eat becomes I'm gonna eat.
Yes, try it.
I'm gonna eat lunch later.
Perfect. Repeat after us. I want to go shopping. I'm going to call my friend. I got to finish my work. Now let's talk about pronunciation and rhythm. Native speakers often use connected speech.
What's that?
It's when words connect together. For example, what are you doing? Sounds like what you doing. Did you eat? Sounds like did I eat? How did it go? Sounds like how'd it go?
They don't pronounce every single word clearly.
Exactly. English is like music. It has rhythm and stress. Let's practice a sentence. I want to go to the beach this weekend. Listen for the strong beats. Want beach weekend.
So I should stress the important words.
Yes, that's how native speakers sound natural. Repeat after us slowly, then faster. I want to go to the beach this weekend. I want to go to the beach this weekend. Now let's learn 10 native expressions you can use every day. Expression 1. What's up? It's mean that how are you? For example, hey, what's up? Expression 2. No worries. It's mean that it's okay. For example, no worries. Take your time. Expression 3. Sounds good. It's mean that okay, I agree. For example, let's meet at 6. Sounds good. Expression 4. I'm into it. It's mean that I like it. For example, I'm really into movies. Expression 5. Hang out is mean that spend time, for example, let's hang out after work. Expression 6. Chill is mean that relax, for example, just chilling at home. Expression 7. You bet. It's mean that of course. For example, thanks. You bet. Expression 8. My bad is mean that my mistake, for example, oops, my bad. Expression 9. Kinda. It's mean that a little, for example, I'm kinda tired. Expression 10. Give me a sec. It's mean that give me a second, for example. Give me a sec. I'll be right back.
Wow, these are so natural.
Yes, and they make you sound friendly and fluent. Repeat after us and try to say them with feeling. What's up? No worries. I'm kinda tired.
That's fun to practice.
Now, let's test your listening and speaking. I'll say some native sentences, and you repeat what you hear. 1. Hey, how's it going? 2. Want to grab some coffee? 3. That movie was awesome. 4. I gotta head out now. 5. Catch you later. Same sentences, but faster and more natural.
Okay, let's go.
Nice job. Remember, don't try to sound perfect. Focus on rhythm and tone.
But even if you have an accent, it's okay. Sounding natural means being confident.
Exactly. Let's do a real conversation using natural English. Hey, Emma, what's up?
Not much. Just chillin'. How about you?
Pretty good. I just got back from the gym.
You've been working out a lot lately, huh?
Yeah, kinda. Try and stay healthy.
Good for you. So what are you up to this weekend?
Probably gonna hang out with some friends and grab dinner.
Sounds fun.
Yeah. Want to join us?
Sure, I'm in.
See how natural that sounds?
Yeah, short sentences, contractions, and friendly tone.
Exactly. That's how you sound fluent. Not by using big words, but by using real ones. All right, it's time to wrap up today's episode.
We learned how to 1. Use contractions like gonna, wanna, and gotta. 2. Connect words naturally. 3. Use native expressions. 4. Practice rhythm and tone. 5. Speak with confidence.
That's right. And remember, sounding native isn't about being perfect. It's about being comfortable and confident.
So keep listening, repeating, and practicing with us.
Thanks for joining us on English Podcast for Beginners.
See you next time.